Feather. I give this board a 4 out of 5 stars. It's a great board for that mid-level to advanced level rider. Anyone that wants to take it all over the mountain. It is a freestyle board, but I felt like you could take it to the park. You could take it all over the mountain. It is poppy and playful, transitions edge to edge really, really well, and it holds its own when you're going at high speeds, which is pretty awesome. So overall, I'd say this is a 4 out of 5 stars.